let's take a look at what we need to do when we want to rotate a key. So if you remember, we had this existing bucket over here. Command would be good. Over here, gcs-course-demo. And it contained two objects. Authorizing you again. There you go. There we go. And we could take a look at the key that was used for each of the objects. By using the stat command. Let's just now look at animation2.png. Oh, that was a typo. There we go. So you can see that it's using this key. This is the same key. However, it's using crypto key version 1 of that key. And the other object actually used version 2. Let me just copy paste that in there. You see, here we have crypto key versions number 2. So number 2 is currently the newest key version, so it has been rotated once. So as we remember, we can delete non-active versions of keys. If we do that, when we have 30 days to still access the key before it really will get deleted. So what if we want to re-encrypt now? Let's say that we're way deep in versions and we want to start to remove the older versions. So it's time for us to re-encrypt this animation2.png with the newest version. Now in our case, the difference between the version number is only 1, but of course in reality it could be anything, right? So how do we do this? Well, basically the only thing that we need to do is we need to kind of rewrite the object itself. Because when we are uploading, remember this bucket has this key as the default encryption method. So it will always use the latest version of the key to do the encryption. And then decryption works automatically. So it automatically will try all of the different versions of the keys until it finds the one that fits, right? So thanks to that, we can just rewrite the object in place to do a re-encryption. Let me just get a fresh window here. So what we need to do is use gsutil and the rewrite command with the key option, and we're overriding any ACLs. In this case, we can get away without it if in case we have the bucket level ACLs removed. Oops, that's wrong. Let's just GCS course demo animation2.png. So it's saying that no encryption key was specified in the Bodo configuration file. We're going to talk about that when we're talking about customer supplied keys instead. So that means that we're just going to use the version in KMS that fits this particular object to decrypt, and then we'll encrypt using the standard key for the bucket. So now if we take another look at the stat, we should see that now the version is version 2 that has been used for encryption. So that's how we rotate keys and then re-encrypt data.